All right, y'all. We're about to set it off with some fire. Let's get this fire going. Yeah. So it's cold out here. We're doing like a bonfire. We're gonna get it going. Let me pull back a little bit. Yeah, but it's probably about a good 15 degrees outside. Tomorrow, I'm grilling out. That's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna get the grill action going. And we're gonna get the burgers going. During the snowstorm, it's gonna be pretty cool. Right now, I'm just prepping the fire, making sure everything works. This is not what I'm gonna do it on, of course. I'm gonna do it on the grill. Got traffic going by. Sun is out. Sun is out. The moon is out. What am I saying? Up in the clouds. But just trying to keep warm. I put a little accelerant in there. A little foam. To get the party going. Other than that, it wouldn't light up. It wouldn't light up at all. So, as you can see, it's getting bigger. The fire pit's getting bigger. Got the swing over here. I would sit down in it, but it's 15 degrees. I'm not trying to do that. The neighbors all in. Here, let me walk over here by my motion light that I just installed. Make sure it worked. Yeah, it worked. So yeah, we got the fire way over there. I'm over here going back to the fire. So yeah, it's nice and chilly out. Just the calm before the storm. There's a little trellis. Yeah, it's starting to warm up now. Really starting to warm up. Heat is on, but the snowstorm is coming about 4 a.m. So, as you can see, the ground is totally dry. Everything around here is totally dry. Shoes dry. Yeah, I'm rocking ponies. Y'all don't know nothing about that. You gotta watch, what's that show? Graffiti Rock. There's a girl named Josephine. She's wearing some white and blue Pumas. She's got the blue stripe on it. I got the same ones with the orange stripe on them. Real hip hop, boy. Anyway, yeah, the fire's going good. This is great. It's a good way to end the evening. It's been a long day. Walk around the edge over here. Get out the way of the smoke. My neighbors over here. But yeah, it's been a good day. Let me get a stick. I'm not trying to do no marshmallows. But definitely a good day. Good day. And I hope everybody is good. The channel is growing. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Close to 500 million views. 500 million views. I got 500,000. I don't know where I'm getting these numbers from. I got 500,000 views on my channel. As we start off the new year for 2025, going into 2026, we're about ready to tour, ready to do all kinds of good stuff. This is just the beginning. So that's what's up for the first week of the new year. It's like liquid fire dripping. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. That is actually pretty cool. Let me go over here. Zoom in. Get my zoom on. There we go. Yeah, like liquid fire. Pull back. Yep. Well, as you can see, it's cold enough. The fire is dying. There's not enough go-go juice in here to keep this thing going. And these sticks probably got moisture in them, so they're smoking more than doing anything. As you can see, it's getting quite dim out here. We got some cut up logs over here, if you can see them, ready to go. If I ever want to sit out here and grill some food and be around the fire. I got a nice little bench over here. You can't see it in the dark, but that's what's happening. So I'm gonna put this fire out, call it a night, and in the morning it should be snow on the ground, and I'm gonna pull the grill out, and we really gonna go to town. I might even go live, just because I feel like doing it. So prepare for what's coming. This is Mo 5,000 times 7, and for those that don't know what that means, 5,000 means I'm out of here, and 7 is the number for perfection. So I'm out perfectly. Bye, y'all.